So I've had the 3D printer now for, I'd say a week, without looking at my dates. I've been thinking, what are some useful parts that I can make with the 3D printer other than just novelty items that the kids will enjoy. I was looking at my retrofitted mill here and I was thinking, this area here looks a little bit dangerous. You can get fingers caught in there, I guess, when it's moving. I'm going to make a cover. I'm going to design a cover to go over that and slide onto this bottom section here, and it will sit there nice and snug. So I'll get in and design that and we'll see how we go. After a short while on Fusion 360, I've made up this model. I think it looks pretty right. I'm going to convert it to an STL, export it out of Fusion 360, drop it in Cura, slice it up, and hopefully we have a winner. Time will tell. Okay, so I set it going printing last night. A couple of things that I've noticed is I can't get these supports out of here. They're supposed to be recessed letters. So unless I dig hard at it, I'm never going to get that out. I ran this through Simplify3D, which was a bit of a change for me. I just wanted to try it out. Am I a fan of that software? Not really, I don't think. I actually think Cura does a better job. You can see there's some strange lines going on here which I don't get from Cura. But anyway, there's me 3D printed guard. One thing that the keen-eyed viewers might notice is I failed to put this in to my model, so I had to go back and trim that after it had printed, which I just had a blonde moment. I forgot to put it in for some reason. But anyway, that was an easy fix. Just trimmed her out, and that's to clear the ball screw on the Z-axis. And I've already test fitted this, you can see, just to make sure that it is going to fit, and that's where straight away immediately I went, yeah, that's not going to fit, mate. But so I rectified that. So we'll go over and put it on the machine and you can see how it goes on. So this is the open exposed area here that I'm trying to cover up, and as you will see, this just slides straight in over it and covers all the nastiness up. You can still get at the screws here in the side through the slot, and well, for the want of a better word, it's probably a bit safer. It's easily accessible, you can still pull it on and off. I don't know, I think that's a bit of a win. Well, a win, but I had to modify it. But anyway, it works.